Welcome to another Transformers Legacy United review. This time we'll be looking at the leader class Sandstorm. Then we have in his vehicle mode, he's a helicopter. Nice looking helicopter mode, blade, and propeller spins, and then blade spin. I like that blade spin. Let's take a look at the helicopter mode. So yeah, nice looking there. Cool looking front. Nice. Nothing on the back. Nothing on the bottom. Overall, very nice looking. And it's got this white line there. Very nice. Very nice looking. Overall, very nice looking G1 Sandstorm. This helicopter, he turns into sand boogie mode. That means he's a triple changer. So triple changers is really not really easy. So one's the most. Let's get him into his dune boogie mode. First, we're gonna fold the blades like this. Like that. Take this here. Then close them up like this. I gotta be very careful what I'm doing. And then flip this down like this. It's gonna go like that. And take the arms out. Actually, I forgot. You're gonna fold the blades, fold like this. There we go. And then take this here, fold it down like this. And then take this. Actually, I'm gonna separate the panels here. Take this here. Take this here, fold like that. Slide in there. You're gonna take this here. Take, flip it up like this. Yeah, they have to fold forward. I gotta be very careful because they pop very easily. I'm gonna leave it right there. Like that. And take like that. There we go. You're not quite done the Dune movie yet. I'm gonna take this here. There you go. And then you're gonna take this one here. Forgot one thing on the bottom. Like that, and then take this here and put it like that. And there you have him in his Dune Boogie mode. Let's take a look at cool looking Dune Boogie mode. I like that. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the back. Very nice looking. It's got tires. They're rubbery. Got headlights there like that. Cool. Like that. Nice. He's just cool looking. So yeah, that's really hard to do with the triple changer toys. So yeah. Very nice looking. Rolls very easily. Yeah, it's hard to do triple changers with this figure. Now transform him to robot mode. First, get rid of this one to the side. Get rid of this little piece here. Alright, we're gonna fold like this. Take this here. Gonna slide the legs here. And then separate the legs. Flip up his feet. There we go. Just like that. And then you're gonna flip all the way down. We're gonna do the arms first. Because I like that cool looking Sandstorm character, the G1. And snap into place. It's very nice looking. And take his hair, flip up his head. Yeah, this thing will not stay in. Because I got the new upgrade kit for Sandstorm. And There we go. And there he is, Sandstorm in his robot mode. Now we're going to take a look at G1 Sandstorm, because I like that figure. Very nice looking. I like that. That's my favorite. And he comes with that thing you can use. Overall. Alright. You want to take the gun here too. And now we're going to take a look at Sandstorm here. I like that. Very nice. And he has an Autobot symbol on there. That's his face right there. I like that face. Very nice face. I got the upgrade kit. This head here. My dad got this for me. Overall, I'm very happy I got this. Until next time, thank you for watching.